आपके मुताबिक जैनिज्म एक लाइफस्टाइल है, ठीक है, द लाइफस्टाइल दैट टर्न इनटू अ रिलीजन.
यस.
बट हर एक रिलीजन में प्रेयर्स होते हैं, वैसे जैनिज्म में भी है. बट आपके मुताबिक लाइफस्टाइल ये जो है ये डे टू डे लाइफ में यूज होता है, तो इसमें प्रेयर्स का क्या यूज है? जैनिज्म में भी प्रेयर्स है, तो ये जो प्रेयर्स है, हर रिलीजन में प्रेयर्स जो होते हैं वो गॉड को वर्शिप करने के लिए होते हैं. जो जैनिज्म में है वो किस लिए है?
See, first thing I want to clear that in any religion or in any rituals, if there is something, एक misconception किया जाता है हर एक से कि मैं अगर ये नाम लूंगा तो I will be more happy और I'll overcome a problem और मैं इस भवसागर से तर जाऊंगा and all those things. So prayers are not meant for that particularly. What I believe is. And yes, Jainism is a bit different in that sense as well. I mean, the prayers which we call in Jainism, they are the purely which were been in use since ancient ages. Later on, now many things are added into it. As it happens, that any lifestyle or any religion faces a progress and a decline in a process of time. But in a core Jainism, as I said prior, the Namaskar Mahamantra is the biggest prayer. That is the most important part of Jainism. Any Jain, if you ask any Jain, he must be knowing that prayer. And it is supposed to be very divine and holy to chant that prayer all the time in all the good things, even in the bad things. At the start of a day, at the end of a day, before having food, you always chant the Mahamantra. So let us start with this, or let us talk about this particular Mahamantra. What it is all about. As I said, it is not containing any name. In Namaskar Mahamantra, it is never said, or it is nowhere said that I bow to Mahavira, I bow to Rishabdev, or I bow to this person, I bow to that person. As I said, it is about, this pray or this mantra is about the ideology, not an idol. And here we worship the five ideologies or the five phases of mankind. And the best part of this is these five ideologies or these five elements are all human. First, when you say Namo Arihantanam, as I said, Arihant. Who is Arihant? I explained it in a prior thing that Arihant, who destroys the inner enemy. What are those enemies? क्या है कि आप अपने अंदर के क्रोध को, भय को या फिर मैथुन को, इन सब को अगर जीत लो in that sense कि आप उससे पार चले जाओ, तो you become Arihant. Now then comes Namo Siddhanam. Who is Siddha? Siddha is a Siddha Purush who has achieved the height of knowledge. That can be anything. In your terms it can be different, in my terms it can be different. Siddha Purush is the one who has achieved that height, the extreme height of knowledge. Again, this is applicable to any person, any living or dead person, not necessary for just for Tirthankaras. Then comes Namo Ayariyanam. Acharyas. What is Acharya? Acharya is a chief of any particular ideology. Again also. Then comes Namo Uvajjayanam. It is I bow to Upadhyayas. Who are Upadhyayas? Now this is where this line I love the most, because here you bow to a person, to a sadhu purush who has gained a lot of knowledge with his experience, with his education, with his never-ending efforts, and is also able to give this knowledge to others. जिसने अध्ययन भी किया है और जो अध्यापन भी कर सकता है, he is उपाध्याय. Then comes नमो लोए सौव साधुनाम. मैं इस विश्व के हर साधु पुरुष को या साध्वी को वंदन करता हूँ. I bow to them. Sadhu purush. Again, a person who is seeking knowledge with lot of efforts, day in day out, who is seeking knowledge, who is working for betterment of a community, who is working to spread a word of betterment to the world. It it can be anything, or of any religion. I go to all the sadhus in the world. Now, in today's context, if you try to shift it in a different way, in a use, it is not just about bowing. When you bow to them, you should think of them. And in any good or bad day of your life, if you think of good people, it gives you an energy in all the ways possible. So to gain that energy, to learn from them by thinking of them, you actually get a way to success. So ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं ये बस बोलता रहूँ सुबह शाम, बोलता रहूँ सुबह शाम और मैं बस मुक्ति पालूंगा, मैं भगवान को, ऐसा नहीं है. It is said for this purpose only कि आप इसे जब बोलते हो या जब इसके बारे में सोचते हो, तब आप उन souls के बारे में सोचो जो ये सब है. And every good person in this world is somewhere in these titles. इनमें से कहीं ना कहीं पे तो वो है ही. If he is really a great person, and if you think of great people, you can become great.
Okay, इसमें एग्जाम्पल के लिए आपने नमस्कार महामंत्र के बारे में कहा, और दिस द 5 phases of a mankind. तो ऐसे और कौन से प्रेयर्स है जो लोगों के लाइफ से रिलेट हो सकते हैं? या
see, there are many prayers. For example, we can think. I really get surprised many times that how we can relate really very easily this to your day-to-day life. There is one prayer called Arhat Vandana.
Arhat Vandana.
Yes, Arhat Vandana. That prayer is to be performed at evening, 7:30 or 7:45 somewhere. See, there is, I personally feel, there is a purpose behind this Vandana, or behind this prayer. Again, in this prayer also, no name is mentioned. You are not actually worshipping any personality. What you are doing, we can explain it. I have this Arhat Vandana with me right now. See, it's a prayer after all. So it starts again with a Namaskar Mahamantra.
Okay.
Again, you go to all those ideologies and then you start praying. I'll explain
Go ahead.
a few of them. See, 7:30, 7:45 in the evening is the time any person, any working person, or any student, or anyone for that instance, gets his own time. The day is ended officially, and then you get back to your home with all the good and bad experiences of the day, with all the joy or fatigue of a day. You face many issues in a day, and sometimes it happens that at the end of the day you feel like, oh my god, this world is useless. I am facing so many issues, I am facing so many problems in a whole day. So what's the purpose of me doing all this? And this happens when even with me, when I drive back from my office to my home, on the way back, I get irritated sometimes. When I look at this prayer, almost all Jains perform this prayer whenever possible to them. But if you perform this, or if you understand this prayer, we can understand that this is made for your peace and to give you an energy, to motivate you, to inspire you, anything. So first line only, this is again in a Prakrit. Jaya Buddha Aikanta, Jaya Buddha Anagaya, Santi Tesi Paithanam, Bhuyanam Jagai Jaha. Arihant, as we said, Arihant is is said to be the super power of the world, or whom we should follow. So जितने भी अरिहंत इस दुनिया में हुए हैं और इसके आगे भी जितने होंगे, this is one more good thing about this lifestyle, that it never says that ये भगवान थे, तुम लोग सब मर के मानो हो, अब तुम लोग इस दुनिया में नहीं, जितने हुए और भी होंगे. There is a positivity in this. It haven't ended at Mahavira. It will go for an endless time. So और भी जितने हुए, उन सब अरिहंतों का आधार, उन सब का बेस is peace, shanti. And in the same way, of you also, of me also, of this world also, the base of everything is peace. So, first thing you should feel and you should follow is peace. So here you get answer for your whole day. That
Right.
at the end, everything is based on peace. Then, say suyam chame ajat thiyam chame bandapumukho tujja ajat theva. Again in a Prakrit, it said कि मैंने सुना और मैंने आत्मा अनुभव से जाना, मतलब I heard it and I experienced it. It is not about blindly following anything. I heard it and I experienced it. That to get away of the boundaries, बंधन मुक्ति, कोई भी चीज में अगर आप जकड़ चुके हो ना, तो उसमें से छूटना ये आपके अंदर ही छुपा है. Every lock and every key for your of your life is inside you only. You should not search for it in an external world. Again, there is a message for you that you yourself can do. You because whole the day you keep blaming only.
Right.
इसकी वजह से ये हो, उसकी वजह से वो, ये हो रहा है इसलिए मैं ये नहीं कर रहा हूँ, वो कर. It is all there inside. You should not blame anyone. If you are bound to something, it is because of you. If you are freed from something, it is also because of you. No one else do anything. Again, as I said, Jainism focuses on a personal level. It's all about you. Then again, there is a. I won't be explaining the whole prayer, but if we get to know, Purisa tumameva tumam mittam, kim bhaiya mittam ichchasi, is the third line of this. Purisa is a Purush. Purush means Atma, soul for everyone. You are your own friend, and this is the biggest secret of life. You are your own friend.
Exactly.
If you keep searching for friends outside, it never matters if you have 1,000 friends, 10,000 friends. If you are not so friendly with yourself, it's all useless.
Exactly.
So it is said that don't seek for support in external world, because not necessarily all the time you will get it. Everyone has his own life. Everyone has his own problems. कौन तुम्हारा रोना सुनते बैठेगा? So you are your own friend. Try and understand this. Be friend with yourself, so you won't require a support from any other person. That doesn't mean that making friend is bad, but you should first be friend with yourself. So this prayer goes on. Even see, there is one more line I love in this prayer, that labha labhe sukhe dukhe jeeviye marane taha samo ninda pasansasu taha manava manavu. It means if you gain, if you lose, if you are happy, if you are sad, if you are been respected, or if you have been insulted, whatever happens, life, death, in all the, see, it's about black and white. If there is good, there has to be a bad thing.
Right.
In all the circumstances, if you stay at a firm, stable phase, then you are a really brilliant person, or you are actually what you can say, educated person. मुनि मतलब जो सच में अगर तुम सीखे हो, सच में अगर आपको ज्ञान है, आप अगर ज्ञानी हो, तो इन सब सिचुएशंस में अगर आप स्टेबल रह सकते हो, तो ही आप ज्ञानी हो. That means it again says that whatever happened throughout your day, you have to be stable, because you have to wake up in the morning. As I said in an earlier discussion, that Jainism is not about leaving everything, it is about facing everything, facing with a positive attitude, facing with a belief, and again believe on yourself. So these are two prayers. For an example, I have told you. So there are prayers, but those prayers also takes you ahead towards personal development.